Today I have come up with new lesson known as wind storms and cyclones. Okay, it's very easy lesson. So here we go to the important pictures. There is not so important pictures. You can write the experiments given below in lab notebook. Okay. Next we are going to definitions. The definitions are here. As you know, I will explain in Hindi. Okay. Wind. Moving air. It is very easy definition. Moving air means हिलने वाली हवा. Okay. Tornado. A funnel shaped finely rotating column of air extending from the surface of the earth to a thundercloud. टोर्नेडो का मतलब है फनल शेप, मतलब फनल के जैसा एक बहुत जोरदार घूमने वाला कॉलम ऑफ एयर जो हमारे अर्थ से, अर्थ के सरफेस से लेके क्लाउड तक जाता है, उसको टोर्नेडो बोलते हैं. साइक्लोन स्टॉर्म which develops on the sea and has high speed winds swirling around a low pressure center. साइक्लोन का मतलब है एक स्टॉर्म, मतलब एक तूफान जो सी में फॉर्म होता है और उसके चारों तरफ बहुत बहुत जोर से हवा घूमती रहती है और बीच में एक ठंडा जगह के अंदर. ओके. एनीमोमीटर एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट मेजर्स द स्पीड ऑफ विंड. एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो विंड का स्पीड मेजर करता है. वेदर वैन एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच डिटेक्ट्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ब्लोइंग विंड. वेदर वैन का मतलब है एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो डायरेक्शन, किस दिशा में हवा घूम रही है उसको देखने के लिए मशीन होता है, उसको बोलते हैं वेदर वैन. ओके. Now we will go to the objectives. See here. Fill in the blanks. Air pressure decreases when wind speed increases. Air pressure decreases. Okay. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. As we did in definition, air moves from region of high air pressure to a region of low air pressure. Okay. Region of high air pressure to region of low air pressure. Okay. Warm air is lighter is means lighter than cold air and moves up. Okay. And moves up. Wind is generated due to uneven heating of the earth. Okay. Wind is generated due to uneven heating of the earth. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is accompanied by high speed winds. Okay. High speed wind, heavy winds and lightning. An anemometer, I didn't write the answer. An anemometer measures the speed of the wind. The measures the measures the speed of the wind. The speed of the wind. Okay. Now MCQs choose the correct answer of the following. Okay. Thunderstorms develop in hot humid tropical areas. You must listen to understand it. Okay, thunderstorms are accompanied by high speed winds, heavy rainfall, and lightning. Okay, high speed winds, heavy rainfall, and lightning. Tornadoes are also called as twisters. Okay, tornadoes are also known as twisters. Cyclones develop in Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean are known as simple cyclone. Okay, only cyclone. Cyclone prone areas in India are along the coastline. Where there is a coast, there is chance of getting a cyclone. Okay. Now here CrossFit puzzle is there. Useful monitoring cyclones. Radar or what is that? Meteorology. Answer is meteorology. Okay. Instrument which measures the speed of wind. As read earlier, measure the speed of wind is anemometer. Here is the anemometer. Develop over tropical areas. Develop tropical areas. It is thunderstorms. No. Tropical areas. Now, that is where it is a famous cyclone. Okay. Here, tropical areas, hot, humid tropical areas, and along the coastline. These are main things for development of cyclone. Okay. Locate and track approaching cyclone. It is known as radar. Okay. Locate and track approaching cyclone. It is known as radar. Down is funnel shape while rotating column of air. Funnel shape means, as we read earlier, tornado. It is tornado. Okay. A calm area in the center of cyclone. Calm area means there is no shaking. It is calm. Okay. Calm area means eye. See, eye of the cyclone. Okay. Detects the direction of blowing wind. Detection of direction of blowing wind means with wind when or weather when. What you say? Wind when or weather when. Now we are going to the brief answers. Okay, brief answers. How is wind produced? Winds are generated due to uneven hitting of the earth, which means uneven hitting of the earth. What is the role of temperature in the formation of wind? Role of temperature? See, read here. Wind current is generated due to the uneven hitting of the earth. Yet the regions around the equator are heated by the direct rays of the sun. Because as you know, the direct rays of the sun falls on equator and slanting rays on the poles. Okay, so the wind near the air near the equator generates heats up because it has more temperature, so heats up. And you know, yeah, hot air rises. So hot air rises, so there is a empty space of vacuum. So the cold air comes from aside from the poles to the equator. This generates the formation of wind. Okay, so this is the role of temperature. Okay, why are trees uprooted during a storm? Simple matter. Trees are uprooted during because they cannot withstand the force of air. Okay, withstand the force of wind. Okay, during a storm, trees are uprooted because they cannot withstand the force with which wind blows. Okay, thunderstorms. How are thunderstorms different from cyclones? Thunderstorms are different from cyclones by following. They develop in hot, humid tropical areas frequently and are accompanied by lightning. Okay, these are the answers. And cyclones, they develop over tropical areas. They are not accompanied by lightning. Okay, so this much for today's. And I stuck a paper like this so we can get easy learning on the questions. Okay, bye bye. Please to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Good luck. Okay, thanks.